In this demo, we are going to see how we can check window scaling option in Linux. So these are the commands which you can use: sysctl net.ipv4 tcp_window_scaling. This will output a value equals to 1. If its value is 1, it means it is enabled, and if its value is not 1, that is 0, then it is disabled. So this is one optimization that you can do in your Linux server. So let us go ahead and see how we can do this. So here I am on one of the Linux based server. So this is the sysctl command. Let's run it. As you can see, the output of this command is 1. That means this option is already set to 1. This simply means window scaling is enabled. You can set this using the command sysctl-w net ipv4 tcp window scaling equals to 1. So let us go ahead and try to set it. And as you can see, it is set to 1, although it was already set, but I am just demonstrating the command. This is a temporary setup. If you want to do this permanently, you need to edit a file. That file is under proc sys net ipv4 tcp window scaling. If we get this file, we see the value is set to 1. We see the value is set to 1. That means window scaling is enabled now. So this is it for this demonstration. See you in the next video.